Hello and welcome back to all my crypto maniacs out there. Today we're gonna be talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're gonna do a fast technical analysis on those two coins, and we're gonna be looking at three other coins that are potentially gonna have a huge profit because they are extremely undervalued right now. So first of all, let's look at the Bitcoin on the 4-hourly chart. Let me just switch this. So on the 4-hourly chart, Bitcoin broke this symmetrical triangle or symmetrical pennant to the downside, and considering Bitcoin is extremely bullish in this bull run, we didn't see our measured move of this triangle to reach all the way down. Bitcoin should go all the way down to $24,000. However, we did have some bulls step up here and pump the price higher, and as we know, Elon Musk's tweet at about $23,000 gave Bitcoin this huge pump to the upside, which would potentially destroy our longer formation, because if we would be looking at something like this, we did fake out to the upside and then down. We are now finding some resistance here, and we did find resistance on the top of this. Should be like this triangle, something like this. We did find some resistance here as well. Now right now Bitcoin is extremely boring, so I do believe a lot of its market cap is gonna go to altcoins and Bitcoin dominance is gonna drop. So I am gonna be looking at 1-hour chart as well here. I mean 1 day, I apologize. I'm gonna be looking at 1 day chart, and we did drop below our 34,000 and we are finding some resistance here. As you know, this is our 1.618 Fibonacci extension from our trend Fibonacci baseline. And as it looks right now, we are finding resistance here. If Bitcoin doesn't break this level soon and find support, closes a daily candle above, I do believe we could go all the way down and retest this 22 to 23,000, I mean 22 to 24,000 dollar level as a support. This would be, let me just make a rectangle here, it would be something like this. This would be our support, while this right here would be our resistance. So hopefully Bitcoin, it is gonna go above our resistance. However, I would love to see Bitcoin go down and retest this 24 to 22,000 dollar level as a support, because this would give us a nice buying opportunity for our further trades. Okay, let's just jump to Ethereum. I'm not gonna be looking at weekly because it's not happening much. We are still in the same range, nothing really changed from the last week. So let's look at Ethereum on the 4-hour first. And Ethereum on the 4-hour is trying to push to the upside. It is forming this rising wedge formation, which could mean two things. Either we break to the downside and our measured move here would be somewhere around, if we break here, our measured move would be somewhere around $899, around let's say $900, which would correspond with this previous bottom. We could do a double bottom there and pump to the upside as well. I apologize. If Ethereum manages to break to the upside and breaks this $1,500 level, I do believe we are gonna break this pattern to the upside, which means our target would be somewhere around $1,950, which would be amazing considering I am holding quite a significant position on Ethereum. But again, if we do go to the downside, I would just accumulate more, which would be even better for my position. Let's check on daily. So again, it's quite the same as on 4-hour. We are creating these higher lows and some higher highs right here, which is extremely bullish for Ethereum. even though that these patterns usually break to the downside. However, if some money from the Bitcoin market cap jumps into Ethereum, we would have a nice pump to the upside. And if we break this $1,500 level, I do believe we could go all the way up to $2,370, which would be our 1.618 Fibonacci extension from our trend-based Fibonacci line, and this would be a nice 58% to the upside, which would be incredible. This would be pretty much the same as here. However, the lines are not gonna align because I am on logarithmic chart. So if we do have the same pump as we did here on the price range, we would reach $2,000, $2,100, which would still be a great trade if you ask me. Now, these were the technical analysis for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's look at XRP. Well, nobody loves XRP if you ask me. People were hyped. I believe Wall Street Bets even put an attack on Ethereum. They were buying it as crazy. Ethereum is overvalued around 22 cents. I wouldn't be buying it any higher. If you are jumping into the trade right now, I can guarantee you you're 90% chance that you're gonna lose your money. So don't just jump on some FOMO trade, because this is not how you should be trading. XRP also pumped today all the way up to 0.7576. Let me look exact high. Yeah, 0.757 dollars. We found resistance here, which was expected from this line. We can just put a trend line here. We have resistance. Let's put on the bodies here. We did find resistance there, and right now we are finding resistance at these levels, which corresponds with these supports here, which would be, let me just extend this. As you can see, we had a nice price action. We found a little bit support here, then we broke to the downside, and now we're fighting resistance here as well. If XRP doesn't manage to break above and create a green candle here, it's gonna drop as it always does. As you can see, XRP always has these pump and dumps, so I'm not jumping into these trades. I'm not holding any XRP. The great opportunity for trading XRP was while it was breaking this triangle here. Unfortunately, I didn't get on the trade because I'm not looking at XRP too much. But yeah, this would be a great trade opportunity. Let's see our measured move, our realistic measured move, not this hype pump. Oh, sorry. Okay, so our measured move from the breakout point would be right around our top here of this candle. So this was our actual measured move, and this is just the hype from all the Wall Street Bets and everybody jumping on the train. And most people that bought in the area above 52 cents, they just got wrecked. If you were buying on this train when everybody were buying at 74 cents, you would be in a 40% loss right now. So do your own research and be smart. Again, I do have to point out, I forgot to point out in the beginning, a disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say and do in these videos is for entertainment purposes only. Please be smart and do your own research before you put any of your hard-earned money into these volatile markets. Again, while everybody is listening to Wall Street Bets, there is a lot of money to be made there. But again, if you were just one day behind everybody, you would be losing a lot of money right now, which is not considered great. Now, there are 3 coins that I told you I'm gonna be looking at with a great buying opportunity. First of all, let's look at NEO. NEO is right now worth $22 with a market cap of $1.5 billion, which is quite a small market cap right now. And if if the market cap of Bitcoin starts dropping, I mean dominance of Bitcoin, let me just check dominance of Bitcoin right now. Okay, so Bitcoin dominance, it is looking quite weak. It is finding some support here on the 26.7 level. However, if dominance of Bitcoin manages to drop below this line and closes a daily candle below here, we are gonna see a huge spike in altcoin seasons, in other altcoins. I do believe this was mostly Dogecoin here because of the Wall Street Bets hype again. As you can see, it dumped all the way down to 56% dominance, and then it pumped all the way back because everybody are getting out and taking their profits. This is Dogecoin against Bitcoin, and again, if you were just a day behind everybody, you would be losing a lot of money. A lot of people bought at the peak here at 260 sats, and right now they would be in about 55% loss. So again, don't jump on the hype, don't FOMO into anything, because you're gonna get wrecked. You should be buying from the position of strength, and NEO right now has the position of strength. Let me just take off the market cap. As you can see, right now we are at around $22.40, and against Bitcoin we are on 664 satoshis, 664 sats. So this would be a great buying opportunity right now. Let's just look at dollar price, because honestly most of you are trading on dollar amount even though I would suggest you jump onto Bitcoin trading, because I can guarantee you, if you're gonna be trading other altcoins against Bitcoin, you're gonna make a lot more money, and you're not gonna miss on opportunities for Bitcoin breaks. So right now we are sitting around 22 cents, and if we break this 22 cents, let me just find it here. Let's go to NEO. NEO, let's see, USD. Let's check the Bitfinex. They might have the most history here. Yeah, let's look at this. We are at $22 right now. There's not much history. What was the all-time high? All-time high was, no, we're exactly there. Okay, so this was our all-time high right now at $200. And if we are looking for some supports and resistances, we are gonna see some resistance right here because of all these price actions right now, then some resistance here. Let me check, it will be around, say around here. Then we have these tops and basically all-time highs right here. So you do have a huge potential here to do a 10x, or at least 5x to 150, almost 10x profit in case NEO starts to pump to the upside. So this is a real position of strength. We are right now closing above our previous resistance, which is great. If we do get a bounce off of this support here, we are gonna go all the way up to $31. If we break that, my next target would be around $45, then $75, and so on. So this is one of the coins I would suggest you invest in, but again, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research and be smart with your money. The next coin we're gonna be looking at is Monero, XMR. It is right now sitting at $140, and its all-time high was, it's hard to find the all-time high on this chart, which was below $500. I would say somewhere around 480. We are gonna find it on the trading view, so let's go XMR, USD, and let's check Bitfinex. I don't know which of these has the most history on these coins, but Bitfinex was here for a long time. Okay, so Monero, as you all know, it was a coin that was usually mostly used for the black markets on the dark web. However, it is extremely great coin because it is hard to track and it is decentralized. So I am looking to buy more XMR here. If you are looking at exact support, we do have some support here. So we are right now battling with this resistance at $150. If $150 breaks and we have a daily close above this level, I do believe we're gonna go all the way up to 300, and yeah, this would be a whole 100% pump to the upside. And if that level doesn't hold as resistance, I do believe we're gonna have some consolidation here, but I have no doubt that XMR is gonna go all the way up to its all-time high soon, which would be from our current price or from our current resistance level all the way up about 200%, which is 3x on your money. What more do you want? You shouldn't be looking at some Dogecoin right now because you are gonna get wrecked. As I'm telling you, it's not a great buying opportunity on Dogecoin. However, we do have a great buying opportunity on NEO and XMR. And the third coin we're gonna be talking about is EOS. EOS is also one of those coins that is extremely undervalued right now. It is sitting at $2.93, and its all-time high was just over $20. Its market cap is $2.9 billion, which is still an extremely small market cap. If altcoin season starts, this could double really quickly. It could get all the way up to $6 billion market cap, or even more, which would be amazing. Volume is 6 billion, so if volume is 6 billion, I don't see why market cap wouldn't do as well. So let's find EOS here. EOS against USD, and let's go Bitfinex again. I apologize. And yeah, as you can see, we are extremely on low levels on EOS right now. We do have some resistance here, which would be from these points here. We do have some resistance around here. You need to know that these resistances are on larger scale, so it could be a rectangle here. However, we are looking on logarithmic chart, and I am just gonna draw the lines here. One more here, a bit lower, but I'll fix it later, and one more here, and then we have the all-time high, of course. And again, this is an extremely high profit potential. If altcoin season starts soon, we could see EOS go all the way up and retest this $4 as a resistance. If it does break this resistance, this is where I would be buying if we get a close above our previous resistance, because we do have one resistance here, then 1 wick here, 2 and 4, 3 and 4, which means we do have 3 touch points confirmed. And if we do break that, we would have a huge bump to the upside. Our first resistance would be around $5.5, which would be 43% to the upside. If we do break that, we do have quite a nice resistance here. We have some support here, resistance here, and some resistances here. Also a nice support here. But if we do break that level, I would be looking at $8.8, $8.7 as the next resistance, which would be 125% to the upside. And of course, if that breaks, we would see $15 as our next resistance, which would be almost 300% to the upside. This would be almost 4x on your money. So I will wait for EOS to break this $4 as a resistance. But if you are looking for a bit long-term investment, you could be buying a small position here, then wait for it to break this resistance with a larger position. So this is gonna be it for tonight. I hope you guys enjoy. Again, remember that I'm not a financial advisor, and anything I say in doing these videos is for entertainment purposes only. Please be smart and do your own research before you put any of your hard-earned money into these volatile markets. I am gonna try to post my 60-day compound challenge this Friday. I wasn't able to trade these last 2 weeks because I've been extremely busy, and I did miss a lot of great buying opportunities on Ethereum and Bitcoin. So I didn't want to overtrade myself and jump into something that I'm not sure how it's gonna evolve. So I am gonna try to post a video this Friday. Hopefully I will, because I do want to show you some of my process going on. Again, don't FOMO in because everybody is telling you to FOMO in. Be smart and do your own research. If you do like my content, please support me by clicking the like button, clicking subscribe and notification button to be notified as soon as I post my next video. Until next time, see you guys later.